Every time a cell divides, its DNA shortens slightly. But thanks to telomeres, protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, our genetic information stays intact. However, these caps erode over time, ultimately determining a cell's lifespan. So, what makes telomeres the key to aging and longevity? Let's find out. Telomeres act like the protective tips of shoelaces, preventing chromosomes from fraying and losing essential genetic information. Made up of repetitive T-tag sequences in humans, they serve as a buffer zone, ensuring that vital genes remain intact during cell division. Without telomeres, chromosomes could fuse together or degrade, leading to genomic instability, mutations, and ultimately cell malfunction or death. These tiny caps play a crucial role in maintaining cellular health and longevity. As cells divide over time, telomeres gradually shorten. This shortening is closely linked to aging and age-related diseases like cardiovascular disorders and neurodegeneration. Telomere length serves as a biological clock, indicating cellular aging. When telomeres become too short, cells lose their ability to divide and regenerate tissues, leading to organ decline and age-related dysfunction. During DNA replication, the leading strand is synthesized continuously, but the lagging strand is made in short Okazaki fragments. When the last RNA primer is removed, DNA polymerase cannot fill the gap because it needs an existing 3' OH to extend from. Thus, at the very end of the chromosome, there isn't enough space for the final RNA primer to attach, leaving a small portion unreplicated. This is known as the end replication problem. This results in a shorter 3' overhang after each cell division, leading to progressive telomere shortening over time. Over time, this shortening leads to cellular aging and limits the number of times a cell can divide. To counteract this, certain cells, like stem cells and cancer cells, produce telomerase, an enzyme that extends telomeres, allowing them to divide indefinitely. Telomere shortening is influenced by various factors, including inflammation, oxidative stress, and toxic cell death. To counteract this, compensative cell renewal takes place. However, when telomeres become critically short, cells enter replicative senescence, reaching the Hayflick limit. This triggers a DNA damage response, which can lead to apoptosis. On the other hand, telomere maintenance through telomerase activity allows continuous proliferation, ensuring cell survival and enabling some cells, like cancer cells, to escape replicative senescence. Telomerase is a ribonucleoprotein enzyme complex that extends the ends of chromosomes, preventing telomere shortening. The key catalytic component of telomerase is telomerase reverse transcriptase, or TERT, which synthesizes DNA using an RNA template. TERT binds to the 3' overhang of the telomere and aligns its RNA component TERS with the existing telomeric sequence. Using this RNA as a template, TERT catalyzes the addition of repetitive DNA sequences, TTAGGG in humans, to the chromosome's end, extending its length. Once a segment is synthesized, telomerase repositions itself on the newly added DNA and repeats the process, progressively elongating the telomere. This extended region serves as a template for DNA polymerase to complete lagging strand synthesis, ensuring full chromosome replication. Telomere length is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Stress, smoking, and diet play a crucial role, alongside lifestyle choices like exercise and sleep. While regular physical activity, antioxidants, and low-stress living help maintain or even extend telomeres, factors like aging, chronic stress, smoking, alcohol consumption, obesity, inflammation, viral infections, and hormonal imbalances contribute to telomere shortening. Understanding these influences is key to promoting cellular health and longevity. Telomeres play a crucial role in cellular aging and overall health. While their shortening is inevitable, healthy lifestyle choices can help slow the process. Understanding telomere maintenance may unlock new possibilities in aging research and disease prevention. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biology content.